Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the homeowner series. This is episode 4. We're starting here down by the beach. Just gonna head home and then we're gonna go look at a pontoon boat actually. Yeah, we're gonna head home and then go look at a pontoon boat. Starting off down by the beach. Well, it's actually up here. So, I don't have the cash right now to buy it, but we'll just look at it right now, guys. Oh, that's a nice boat there, too. I wonder if that one's for sale. Shut the F-150 off. This is a real nice boat here. It's Grady white. Nice boat. It's got the top on it. It's a real nice trailer. I don't know if my F-150 can pull that, though. Nice big old pontoon here. I think he wanted $20,000, $22,500 for this, I think is what he wanted. So, with the trailer, it's pretty much brand new. It's been in the water once, so it's a pretty good deal. New is like $30,000, so not gonna complain. Maybe we'll looks pretty nice, so maybe we'll buy it and go home, and we'll probably come back later on with the cash and pick it up. Don't have the cash on me right now. On our way back home here. Heading home. I don't really know what we're gonna do today in this video. Might go look at a John Deere 90 skid steer. Which will be pretty cool. Maybe next episode will either be boating or camping. So that'll be cool. Because in this world I am building a campsite. So let's go look at that John Deere 90 skid loader while I was done. Take the F-250 to go look at it. We're not taking the big trailer, we'll just take this trailer in here today. Oh. Right there, looks about good. Detach it, crank up the jack there. Alright, we're ready to go here. Alright, got our trailer hooked up, we're ready to go. Gonna head back to, gonna head on into town. Let's go look at it. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Alrighties, we're driving to go look at it. I think it only has 500 hours on it and it's old, so it's pretty beat up though. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Game had some lag here. Game lagged. So, we're gonna go look at that. And yeah, really don't know what else to say, but Oh yeah, let's get a like goal. Can we hit 9 likes, please? Need a like goal of 9 likes. Oh. 9 likes would be nice. Just leave a comment, please, because I like to see what you guys have to say. So just please leave a comment down below. Cause I will reply to you. Leave a comment, I will reply. So yeah, the ramp's put down, but I will reply to your comment. Just let me know what I should get, cause yeah. It's the John Deere 90 skid loader. The guy said I can start it up. He said he left the keys in it. Oh, it started. Okay, looks like it's got a trailer mover on the front. It's got some paint chip on it. Got some paint chip on it, but it's been used. Let that warm up. The guy wanted 3,500 for it. Buckets used quite a bit. Wanted 5,500 for it. I told him sure. I'll just pay him, put the money in that bucket there. Get it? Yeah, I'm looking for Bob. Oh, yep. Alright, yeah, I can do that. Alright, yep, here's the money, man. Have a good day. So I bought it, paid an extra 50 bucks for the trailer hitch here. Alright, let's load this sucker up. I don't know if this, I'll throw this thing in the bucket here. Do them levers. Alright. This is old, but it will be nice to do some housework with. I'll put some diesel in it. Give it a new paint job. After I'm done with this, then we should go buy a John Deere garden tractor. I'm done with the skid steer. I might just keep this though. Alright guys, so we're loading her on up. I'm gonna head home and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna use this for today, but might make a little four-wheeler trail for our side-by-side. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, put up the ramps here. Strap it down. Nice. Fire up our F250 Super Duty here. Let me know, guys, if I should buy a John Deere Gator. You know? Like the old 6x6 one. I don't know if we're gonna get to the pontoon boat in this video, guys. God. Sorry about that, guys. Game lag. My game likes to lag a lot. I don't know why, but I really don't really know what to say, but just driving home here. The good old Ford Super Duty here. And yeah, well, maybe we'll do a snow plowing video, plowing out our house. And the campground that I'm working on right now off camera. I'm not gonna build that on camera, just like to work on it off camera. Oh no. Alright, control S, X, push the back down, jump out, hop in the skid steer here. We'll follow that right there. Alright, grab onto my bucket here. I don't know because, guys, let me know if I should get another plow truck because the plow doesn't really work very good on my Ford Super Duty, so let me know if I should either put a plow mount on the K30 or just buy another plow truck. I'll show you guys my snow plow. I didn't pick this one up on camera, I just picked it up off camera here. It's a Western wideout. I don't know if I should put it on the K30 and plow with the K30 or what, but yeah. Or maybe get a skid steer plow with the skid steer or something, I don't know. Alright guys, gotta back this trailer up and then we'll call it a day for today's video. We didn't get to picking up the pontoon boat today in today's video. We will. Next video, promise. Next video we might go rent a camper. So that'd be pretty cool. Put that down there. Let's go park my truck and then shut it off and maybe I'll go play some farm sim on the my PC. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Bye.